Now we need you to fill out some other forms for us. If you are under the age of 18, there are special rules that apply for you to take a high school equivalency test. Your teacher will explain these and give you forms that you must fill out if you have not done so already. The Code of Conduct form. This form outlines the rules that you are expected to follow as a student in our program. Let's briefly talk about these. Number one, we expect you to treat your classmates and our staff with respect. In return, you can expect the same from us. Do not bring weapons, drugs, or other illegal items onto campus. We have campus security and you will be arrested if you violate these rules. Please clean up your trash and keep the building clean. Keep restrooms clean, put your trash in the trash bins, and leave the room ready for the next person who comes in. Follow your teacher's directions in the event of an emergency. This is very important for you to stay safe. Arrive to class on time and prepared. If you cannot come to class on time, please talk to your teacher and explain the situation. Park your car legally in designated areas. You can get a ticket or your car can be towed if you violate these rules. Notify your teacher if you're going to miss a class. Just give us a call at that number and let us know I won't be in today. Turn off your cell phones and put them away in class. Noise is very distracting for some students, and we don't want that to be a barrier to anyone's learning. Abide by any other class rules your teacher may set. Depending on the class type, you may be working with hand tools or dangerous chemicals or anything that your teacher may need to set rules for. So we expect that you abide by those rules. We want you to know that your success in the program, regardless of what that program is, depends largely on your individual effort. This statement says, I have read these rules. I have had an opportunity to ask questions or express concerns. I understand the rules and agree to follow them. I understand that failure to follow them may result in my dismissal from the program. We always encourage you to come to us with questions or concerns. If something comes up in class and you have concerns about it, talk to your teacher or to any staff member in our program. This form is called the Information or Media Release Form, and this one covers two bases for us. The first statement says, I agree that my name and or photograph may be released to the media for the purpose of advertising and promoting the adult education program. And you simply tell us yes or no. There is no penalty for saying no. If I were a student, I would say no. But this is your choice, and whatever you choose will be respected. I agree that my assessment scores and or class assignments may be released to these individuals or agencies. List anyone you want to name. If you have, for example, a probation officer, a judge, an attorney, a parent who you want to share your scores, your class information with, please list that person here. You can also list an agency. We have some students who may be working on a diploma to take time off of a jail sentence, and they want their a probation officer or their attorney or the whole county system to be able to access that info. You can list individuals or agencies. You also do not have to list anything or anyone. If you are 18 years or older and you do not want to share your information with anyone, leave this section blank. We ask that you print your name legibly and sign your name. If you are under 18 years old, we need a guardian signature here as well and today's date. And finally, you may fill out a career plan. This is not set in stone. This is just for us to know what your interests are when you get a diploma or you complete your program. And we may have some resources that would help you. So we want to know what your plan is when you complete your time with us. You can change this at any time. You are not signing a commitment to anything. We are just asking about your interests, your plans, your dreams, and your goals.